Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm walking you through how to add a location filter to your Shopify store using product Metafields. If you're running a Shopify store and you've got products spread across different locations, maybe multiple warehouses, a few physical stores, or you're offering local pickup, you're going to love this one. It's a game changer for helping your customers find exactly what's available where they are. So why would you even need a location filter? Picture this. You're a retailer with inventory in different spots. Maybe a boutique in New York, another in LA, or warehouses across the country. Or maybe you've got a click and collect setup where customers buy online and pick up in store. Without a filter, your customers might be browsing through products that aren't available at their preferred location, and that can get frustrating fast. A location filter lets them narrow down their search to what's actually relevant, making their shopping experience smoother and more personalized. Before we start, you'll need a Shopify store with products already set up, access to product Metafields, and the free Shopify search and discovery app installed. If you've got all that, you're good to go. First up, you need to create a product Metafield to store the location info for your products. Head to your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Custom Data, and click on Products. Hit the button to create a new Metafield definition. Name it something clear like location. Then set the type to single-line text. Choose List of Values if a product could be available in multiple spots. Once you've got that set, hit Save. Next, you'll assign location values to your products. Go to the Product section in your Shopify admin, pick a product, and scroll down to the Metafields section. Here, you'll enter the location for that product. Save the product, and then repeat this for all the products that have different locations. It might take a bit if you've got a big catalog, but it's worth it. Now let's make that Metafield work its magic. Open the Search and Discovery app from your Shopify admin and head to the Filters section. Click Add Filter, select Product Metafield, and choose the location Metafield you created earlier. Hit Save, and your customers can now filter products by location right from your storefront's collection or all products page. And that's it. You've just added a location filter to your Shopify store. It's a small feature that can make a huge difference, especially if your business relies on regional availability. Customers will find what they need faster, and you'll likely see happier shoppers and more sales. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you've tried this, or if you've got other Shopify tricks you want me to cover. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips to level up your store. See you in the next one!